Hello, Melanie. I just want to wish you a happy Mother's Day and congratulations. As you probably noticed, I didn't give you a card. It's not because I didn't want to give you a card. It's just, Melanie, I know the environment is a big concern to you. So that with that in mind, I decided not to kill any trees just for you. Okay? I hope you appreciate this. So instead, I'm making a video just to wish you a happy Mother's Day and congratulations for graduating. And I can't wait to be with you. And I just hope this video is touching to you as it's touching to me. I'm sorry, Melody. I'm just having a Grandma Dot, my mother-in-law Penny moment, and an M moment. I'm so sorry, but I just can't. I don't know why I'm crying. I just can't believe it. Your mother, and you graduated. Oh no, Melanie, this is paper. That means I killed a tree. Oh no. Oh, Melanie, I just can't take it. I'm so sorry, I killed a tree. Please forgive me. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to kill this tree. I promise this is the last tree I'll kill. I don't want to kill that card. I'm just crying. I'm just having a Melanie, Grandma Dot, and a mother-in-law Penny moment. Just congratulations. I'm sorry. I just can't take this anymore. Bye.